I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is weForms. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select an action. Lemlist. Give here the API key. So please visit Lemlist API token. API. Generate new key. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose a campaign. Map the respective fields. Under the action, you can update Lemlist by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the Lemlist site. Bit Integration. And you can see the data came successfully in the Lemlist. Thanks for watching.